Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Plug in power to your Xbox 360 and turn it off briefly. You will switch cables now. Connect the Xbox 360 component cable or VGA HD AV cable to the console. Match colors and secure firmly. If your monitor only accepts VGA, attach a component to VGA converter or use the Xbox VGA HD AV cable directly. Once connected, power on the monitor and Xbox. Make sure the monitor input matches the physical port you used, because wrong input shows no signal. You now need to configure resolution so the monitor accepts the signal. On the Xbox, go to Guide, Settings, System, Console Settings, Display and choose 720p or 480p depending on your monitor and converter. If using a component to VGA converter, pick a resolution the adapter supports. Mismatches give a blank screen. For audio, monitor VGA provides no sound. Use the red/white RCA audio from the Xbox to external speakers, or use a USB or optical audio solution if available. Final checks: load the dashboard or a game to confirm video and audio are stable. Inspect for overscan or color shifts and adjust monitor settings. If you see no image, power cycle both devices, reseat every connector, and ensure the monitor input matches the cable. Make sure the converter supports progressive output. If problems persist, temporarily switch to 480p to verify a basic signal. Once done, tighten connections and label cables so you can restore this setup quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.